Hey guys, this is Anand and welcome to the 10th tutorial of XXTML and CSS. In this tutorial, we are going to talk about the table headers. So table headers are basically a bold characters that may be shown on your table. This is basically used to define a particular section in the table. So for a table header, we first need a table. So let's make a table first. Border to 1 pixel. Okay, and we need a closing table tag. Okay, some spaces, and then here I'm going to make a classroom data, so in which the first column, in the first column we need a name as a bold character, then in the second column we need a class as a bold character, and then in the third column we need a roll number as a bold character. So in the first row, I make the first row here. So for the row you need a tr and /tr. Okay, so let's copy this. Here I make 3 rows. Okay, so in the first row we need a header tags, that is a table header tags. So for the table headers you need a th as a keyword. Okay, then close this /th. Okay, so let's copy this, copy this. Okay, so I made something wrong here. I just have to type th, not tr. Okay, let's copy that. Okay, so here what I'm going to put between these th tags, that is table header tags, it's gonna be bold on your table. So these are basically a regular columns, but the difference is only that the data will become bold. So in the second tutorial in the second row we need a regular column. So for the regular column just type td, that is table data, and closing table data tag. Just copy this and paste it. Okay, again in the third row we also need a regular column, so just paste this. Okay, so let's put some data in this. So I'll put name, class, and a roll number. Okay, in the second row we need a data. I'll put the name, so I'll put my name Sanitya. Then I need a class and make it 5th standard. Okay, 5th standard, and then I need a roll number, so I'll put 21. Then okay, then in the second row we need another name. I'll put Rahul, he's my friend actually, and a class 5th. Okay, and roll number I put 32. Let's save this and see what will happen. Bang, here we got the sweet table in which the name, class, and our roll number are the bold, because we put it in the table headers. Okay, and where the Rahul and the Sanitya 5th, 32 and a 21, these data are in the regular columns. So that's how you make the table headers in the tables. So that's all for the today's tutorial. Hope you guys like it. Meet you guys in our next tutorial.